Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the program has started, locate and open the presentation you wish to work on. This ensures you have the correct file ready for editing and that you are in the right workspace to add an interactive feature. After your presentation is open, focus on the top of the window where you can see various tabs. Look for the one labeled Insert and click on it. The Insert tab houses many options for adding visual elements to your slides, including shapes, text boxes, and charts. Choosing this tab prepares you to introduce an interactive element to your slide. Within the Insert tab, search for the Shapes option and click on it. The Shapes menu will present you with a wide variety of graphical elements that can be placed onto your slide. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these shapes. They range from simple rectangles to more intricate icons, each designed to serve a different function. Once the Shapes menu expands, scroll down until you find the section that is specifically reserved for action buttons. These buttons are pre-designed to include interactive capabilities, making your presentation more dynamic. Locate the action button labeled as the Go Forward button. This particular button is ideal when you want your audience to move to the next relevant section of your presentation upon clicking. After selecting the Go Forward action button, you will now need to position it on your slide. Click and hold your primary mouse button while simultaneously holding down the Shift key. Holding the Shift key while drawing ensures that the shape maintains its proportional dimensions, either creating a perfect circle or square depending on the underlying design of the action button. Drag your cursor across the slide until the button reaches the desired size and position, then release the mouse button. Now that the action button is drawn on your slide, it is time to assign it a hyperlink. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to specify the action the button should perform when clicked. In this window, locate the drop-down menu that allows you to choose the target for the hyperlink, and select the option labeled Slide. This option will enable you to jump to any slide within your current presentation. Following this selection, you will see a list of slides in your presentation. Carefully review the list, and choose the specific slide you want the action button to direct to when it is clicked during your presentation. Selecting the correct slide is crucial for ensuring that your audience navigates seamlessly to the intended content. After choosing your target slide, confirm your selection by clicking OK. You will need to click OK once more to complete the process. These final confirmations ensure that the action button has been properly linked and that your interactive feature is set up correctly. By following these detailed instructions, from opening PowerPoint to assigning a hyperlink, you have successfully created an interactive action button that enhances the flow of your presentation. This technique not only makes your slides more engaging, but it also provides a smoother navigation experience for both you and your audience.